Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming the essentials: an iPhone on iOS 16 or later, the Quike app installed, and permissions enabled. First, open Settings and verify the iOS version. Once done, install Quike from the App Store if you haven't already. Next, sign into Quike and allow widgets, background app refresh, and notifications so the widget updates properly. Make sure your network is stable. This matters because the widget fetches live content. Now, press and hold your home or lock screen to. Once you're in jiggle mode, tap the plus icon and type Quike in the widget gallery search. Select the widget size that fits your layout: 1x1 for quick glance, 2x2 for richer data, or 4x2 for full controls. Then tap Add Widget to drop it onto your screen. After placement, long press the widget and choose Edit Widget to pick the default view, set the refresh interval, and assign any quick actions or shortcuts. This step defines what the widget shows and how often it pulls new data. You finish by positioning the widget where it's most useful, then tap Done to lock layout. Test it. Tap the widget to open Quike and swipe or use the manual refresh action to confirm live updates. If content appears stale or the widget shows an error, remove it, force quit Quike, restart your iPhone, and re-add the widget. Make sure background app refresh and network access are still enabled. If problems persist, sign out and back into Quike. This refreshes credentials and resolves most sync issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.